guys, we are at the Cal, Hawaii's home away from home, bringing you guys a room tour. You guys have asked for it, so we're here at the Cal. All of their rooms have been remodeled. If you haven't been here, everything is going to look a little bit different than when you were here. So I know you guys are planning your trips, you're considering the Cal. We're going to show you what a standard one king room looks like here at the Cal. So this is the entry, and here's your closet. Right when you walk in, you've got your ironing board, you've got your rack there for your luggage. Nice use of their little space here. I really like what they did with the bathroom. Let's go check it out. So although it's not very big, it seems big, and I think that's with the colors and the design that they have here. So it really is a nice space here. Big counters, you have your towels and stuff here. Of course, the commode. But check out this shower. The ground is actually sloped, so you don't have puddling there. I think that's really neat. And I like the detachable shower head too. It's a really nice bathroom. Let's go check out the room. It's actually pretty big in here. I don't know when was the last time you stayed, but this is definitely different than when I stayed here last, which was about 6-7 years ago. Nice modern end tables there. I love the headboard there. Big king size bed. You have a nice big flat screen here. You've got your 3 drawers up on the counter. Here's one of the things that I really like about older hotels here in Vegas. You get a refrigerator. I love having a free refrigerator in the room because you want to have your own snacks and waters. Bring your leftovers home from the pizza shop, whatever, have it put in the fridge there. I really like that. Really big space over here. You've got your workstation. So here you have a funky little chair. You have your ottoman there, little side table. Sit here, watch TV while you're waiting for everybody else to get ready, right? This is pretty cool. I like this. The blinds are these old-timey little blinds. How cool is this? That's pretty fun. And if you wanted to open them, you can. They slide right open like that if you wanted to get more light in the room. Now let's check out this view. Well, there you have it, guys. This is a standard one king room here at the Cal, fully remodeled. You guys are looking to stay downtown, definitely want to stay at the Cal. This is where it's at. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see, and we'll do our best to bring it to you.